a simple pendulum is being used to determine the value of gravitational acceleration at certain place. G calculate பண்ண போறோம். The length of the pendulum is given 25.0 centimeter and the stopwatch with 1 second resolution measures the time taken for 40 oscillation to be 50 seconds. The accuracy of in G. So we wanted to find out G. We know the formula time period is 2 pi into root of L by G. Squaring both sides. We wanted to take out G out. But T squared equal to 4 pi squared into L by G. G வெளியே எடுத்தேன்னா G equal to 4 pi squared into L by T squared. இப்போ error calculate பண்ண போறோம். Del G by G into 100. இதுதான் questionல கேட்டிருக்காங்க. The accuracy in G in terms of percentage is equal to 4 pi squared is constant. You don't need to take. Length is del L by L into 100 plus 2 into del T by T into 100. Correct? But it is clear. Length is given as 25.0 centimeter. That means the error value or accuracy value is 0.1 centimeter. This 0.0 gives the value of accuracy or a solution. அடுத்தது. The same way here it is given del T is 1 second for 50 seconds. But T will be equal to 50 seconds. So solve பண்ணிருமா? Del L is nothing but 0.1 divided by 25 into 100 plus 2 into del T is nothing but 1 second into 100 by time is 50. Calculate பண்ணு. இதை calculate பண்ணா 10 by 25 is 0.4 plus 200 by 50 is 4. The answer is 4.4% is the answer.